Sitting in the whip and it ain't that boss. Niggas playing hate and it ain't that raw. Talking all that shit and it ain't that hard. I'ma stomp a nigga to an asphalt. East Coast dawn and a gun packed off. Smoking on kush if it ain't that off. I'ma throw it in the fucking trash can, dog. If it ain't real, if it ain't that cough. Nigga step up, but he best back off. I'ma bang a nigga like a mango. Doing on things that they can't though. Smoking on kush caps in places that they ain't roll. I ain't no idol. 40 cal hit a nigga, ain't gon' like you. Smoke 'em, blow 'em up, and the nigga beside you. I'm a motherfucking killer, man. I heard a lot that them niggas saying on the internet. On the Facebook, I back the slap out you. I back slap the shit out the niggas that you look up to. I'm a straight crook and a killer. I put that on Saga. And full fit niggas are straight up mobsters. Smoking on the mango. I don't need a visa or shit out here to do things you can't though. Bitch nigga, I go places you can't go. Niggas playing hating and they best back off. 45 hit you like you to the asphalt. Nigga ain't a real, then it get that call. I'm a green light, I'm in his ass get tossed. Niggas playing gangster, it ain't that raw. They ain't smoking shit if it ain't that cough. East Coast dawn and the guns blast off. Can't see me in the whip cause the tint's black, dog. Nigga got the 40 cal cock blast off. Niggas ain't killers cause they ain't that raw. I'm sitting at the party, I'm chilling. Niggas acting like they gangsters fuck around with a villain. I don't got none, need none, just to come and hurt your feelings. In the whip if it ain't that raw. Smoking on kush if it ain't that cough. Call a nigga back if I get that call. Green light his ass, man, take that fucking ass off. East Coast dawn, nigga, I'ma blast off. I'ma stomp a nigga to the fucking asphalt. Get him in the gun, then we kill in the building. Nigga, we hide and we go like gremlins. Nigga, if it kill it, then we gon' blast off. If it ain't real, then it ain't get talk. If it ain't gas, then it ain't that car. Chillin' in the whip and I ain't blast off. Niggas surround the Bentley, then they best back off. 40 cal bucks, nigga, want that car. I want that smoke, nigga. This ain't COVID out this bitch for shit. I got that car. Umbrella gang, nigga. What's wrong with you? Ain't a nigga rilla. Ain't that raw. Smoking on kush if it ain't that car. East Coast dawn, nigga, best back off. I pull up in the whip and think it was a tank, dog. We ain't no nigga umbrella gang, nigga, black and yellow. Fuck these niggas, man. I smoke a kush, nigga. And the commissioner, nigga, the fucking president. Trump out of here, but I'm here for life, nigga. They get sour power. Get the bag. Niggas play hate and they ain't blast off. 45 hit you and it knock your ass off. Niggas act gangsta stomp to the asphalt. I'm East Coast dawn, man, I'm more than that talk. Smoking on kush if it ain't that cough. 40 cal hit him if he ain't back off. Sitting in the whip tents, all black dog, nigga can't see me anyway. Fuck that ball.